YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bates by Morales, and today I got an unboxing for you. Check it out. Ooh. This is the one and only Frank da Barber. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Yeah. Check it out. Influencers collection. The homie Frank da Barber. Alright. Now let's check out what's inside. We'll set that over. See, there it is. Alright, now we're gonna pull it out. It's got that the DLC blade. Light, got a nice grip to it. It's lighter than the gold F. Alright, so here we go. We have it next to the gold FX. You can see, same size. Gold FX is heavier. That's straight up. It's a lot heavier. So nobody calls my man Ivy Mac
crazy is what I was gonna say, because everybody was saying that he said that the DLC blade was not that much longer, but there's the evidence right there. Side by side, it's a lot longer. Put it in slow motion so you guys can see that. Alright, here we go, back.
Let's try it out, let's see if it charges. Ooh, fits like a glove, look at that. I like to oil them before I turn them on. So we're gonna go ahead and oil them up. Man, it fits so tight. Ooh, it's so quiet. Dang, that's real quiet. It does look like it needs alignment though. And then we're gonna see what else it comes with. So now we did side-by-side comparison. You can see Ivy Mac was right. The teeth are a lot deeper on the black one, on the 2.0 blade. That we can get rid of. Got these little stickers. I do like these little stickers. I'll keep those. That's trash. Get rid of that. That's trash. Don't need that. So trash. Oh, okay, so it comes with an extra cam follower, which I might throw this cam follower on this gold FX. Maybe that's what makes this gold FX so loud. Let's go with a different in sound. Almost cut my beard off. You see that?
There was a sound check. Now I'm trying to set the blade with that low blade setter. I've never used that before. So it sets it kind of soft. I like to set it by hand because I feel like I can set it harder.
Got a screwdriver to adjust the blade if we ever want me to take it off. That's dope. See at the black bottom. Oh, purple. Oh no, for sure we're rocking with that purple. That's dope. But they got a black one just in case. That over to the side, that over to the side. Of course the guard keeper, blade keeper. Extra. These little brush. Got some oil. Make sure we don't lose this little cam follower. So I'm gonna make another one of these stands out of this charger right here. So stay tuned, that's gonna be a later episode, a later video that I'm gonna make. So there you have it. I'm gonna put this thing to work today. So stay tuned and I'll be posting some of the haircuts that I do with it.
Take this time right here and send a shout out to Spider G for supplying me with these beats. Thank you, carnal. Hey, this ended up being an all babyliss haircut, sin querer queriendo. I don't know, dog. I'm feeling these babyliss lately, and especially since I did the modification to the, well, not modification, but since I cleaned up the other babyliss, the gold one, I've been rocking with that thing ever since. That's crazy that cleaning did that much of a difference. If you guys want to see how I did it, you can go back to my previous video. It's the overhauling one. It's on my YouTube channel. You should check it out because it makes a huge difference. So right here we're setting in the line with the lever open. This is not like a full-blown tutorial or anything. This is just something that I figured I'd show a haircut that I did with it. And I was gonna edit all of this out, but I don't know, you can see the process también, no? Then I had to come back and take out that bottom line with the same thing I put the line in with. And also, this is my new camera lens. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. If you can compare it to some of my other haircut tutorials. See if this is that much better. Hey, check out that orange number 4 guard. I've never, before I got that one from Segunda. Before I got that one, I never had seen an orange one before like that. I think it's tight. And this is all real time. I didn't speed any of this up. I probably should have put a minute a lot shorter, but it is what it is. The moment of truth. If you guys know, if you guys are barbers, you guys know that beard, when like his style of beard, is real thick hairs. They're super coarse, so a lot of trimmers struggle to line up that kind of beard, and you can see that thing's just doing its thing. It's doing what I wanted to do. Now I did not set them super hard, you know, so that way I can get up under the neck like that, con confianza, without feeling like I'm about to irritate his skin or anything. So check them out. Look, they're working good. See, look, I don't have to be nervous that I'm gonna irritate the bottom of his neck or anything, because I know that I set him soft, you know? I use the blade setter. Spinning him around, checking in the mirror, making sure everything is symmetrical. I see a little discrepancy on that side. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it now. But I'm digging this new camera lens. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty clear, really clear actually. Now you guys let me know, is that a pushback or not? I feel like I had to take it there to keep it sharp. But you guys let me know in the comments, was that a pushback or not? It's borderline, I think. Alright, now we're setting in this hard part. One thing about these, they grab a lot of hair because of the bigger teeth, I think. So you got to be real careful when you set the hard part in with these, because it'll grab all of the hair in the vicinity. Well, there you go. That's the cut. I'm gonna throw in this little clip real quick. A quick design that I did on my son's hair with one of those things. Like I said, I did not set them sharp. I know I could set them sharper, but I'm just rocking with them like that. Better safe than sorry. And there you go, that's the result. YouTube, what's good? So here we go. It's been a week. I've been putting this thing to work. You guys have seen me with some designs. Yes, watching me on Instagram. I've been posting a lot of things about this. A lot of haircuts that I've done. Well, I will say there is one downside, and that is that it can pull hair when you're balding out and pulling out at the top. It tends to pull hair when I was balding out, but that's only when I was cutting on the go, when I didn't take my detachable clippers, because normally I always use my detachable clippers to bald out, but I've been having a bald out with this one. Plus I wanted to test it out, just to make sure that it does, but when I pull out like this, it pulls hair a little bit. But other than that, that's all I can say. That's the only downfall. Everything else is perfect. So I love it. My new favorite trimmer, right here. All right. Whoa. I almost forgot. Before we go, you guys got to go over to Barber Clips Podcast. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, later. This time for real.